Hello everyone, I'm Amod and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In my last video, I covered why learning Python is important if you want to create and use AI tools efficiently. In this video, we will learn how to install Python on Windows 11 and write and run our first Hello World Python program in VS Code. So the first step is download Python. So for that, you need to go to official website of Python, which is python.org. On the home page of Python, you see one option downloads. Click on this and here you see options to download Python. So we can download using the Python install manager, or you can directly download the standalone installer for a specific version of Python. I will suggest you to go with the Python install manager because it is the newer and recommended way to manage Python versions and installations. So the advantage will be you can install, update or manage multiple Python versions on your system. So suppose you are working on multiple Python projects and you need different Python versions for different Python projects. So using this install manager, you can have multiple Python versions installed on your system and you can select for your different projects as per requirement. But if you are going to work with single version of Python every time, then you can download any standalone version of Python and install it. So I'm going to use the Python install manager. Click on this. So you can see download is successful. Click on it and you'll see a button to install Python. So click on install Python. It has opened a command prompt. Here you need to follow the instruction. So I want to install C Python. So type upper letter Y and it is installing 3.14.7. So some configuration checks are completed. PU online help, press lowercase y and you can see it is showing documents of Python. That means Python has been installed on our system. So to verify the installation, we need to open the command prompt and here you can type python hyphen hyphen version. So here you can see Python 3.14.7 is installed on your system. You can run your Hello World Python program from command prompt as well. For that, you need to enter into the interactive mode. So you need to type Python print and in quotes Hello World. Hit enter and you can see Hello World is printed on the console. And to exit from this interactive mode, you need to type exit function and you are out of the prompt. So now we have covered the installation of Python and verified the installation as well. Now we need to download VS Code. You can use any other IDE as well, but VS Code is easy and recommended IDE for Python. So to download VS Code, we need to again go to official website of VS Code. You can simply type VS Code download. Go to the first link, which is Visual Studio Code official website. And as per your operating system, you can download the VS Code installation file. So I am on Windows, so I'm going to use x64 version. So download has been started and you need to click on this .exe file so that installation of VS Code will start. So click on run. You need to accept the agreement. This is the installation path. If you want to change, you can change it or you can continue by clicking on next. So again next, if you want to create desktop icon, you can create it or you can always search and launch. But let's click on next and install. You just need to follow the instructions. It is very easy to install. So installation is done. Click on finish. It will launch the VS Code. Close the welcome window and you need to go to file, open folder and you can go to any folder location and you can create a folder, maybe Python learning and select the folder. So before you write your first Python code, you need to install Python extension. So for that, go to extension tab and here search for Python. And here you can see Python extension from Microsoft. Select this and click on install. You can see when you install this Python extension, automatically it will install other extensions as well, like Python debugger, Python environment, and Pylons. So you can see installation is done. And if you go to second one, you can see automatically it is installed. That's why you see the uninstall option. Same with the Python environment as well. So let me restart once so that extension will be in effect. Let me start the VS Code again. And now here, let's create our .py file. Py is the extension for the Python file. So my first Python program .py, and here I'm going to write simple print statement which will print hello world. No semicolon needed. And to run this Python program, we need to go to terminal. So click on these three horizontal dots, terminal, new terminal. And here you need to write Python, then give the file name. Hit enter. And you can see hello world is printed on the console. There is one simple way to run Python program as well. Again, you need to go to extension tab, and here we have something called code runner. Using this extension, you can run many programming files, including Python. So click on install, and you can see it installed. And I don't think we need to restart the VS Code. Let me go to project, and and when you do right click on this .py file, you see one option called run code. This is coming only after installing that code runner extension. Now if you select this one, it will run your Python program in the output tab, and you can see the output. So this is just the setup video, and from next video we will learn Python concepts. So that's all in this video tutorial. If you have a doubt, please comment on this video. If you really like my videos, please like, comment, subscribe and share with others. Thank you everyone.